Greetings to everyone, whoever is watching my YouTube video. I am Khalid Snippet, and today I'll be showcasing uh, this step follows for setting up Microsoft Office various applications like Word, Excel, PPT, OneNote, and many other associated with the Microsoft Office in Ubuntu Linux. How you can use them as a Linux desktop application. This video is for education purposes, and also first you have to open any uh, you can open any browser of your choice. Just search for MS Office Word. Now specific version we are going to use is 2007, and we are going to go with 32-bit download, and just mention internet archive. Just go with the very first link. Alright, just click on it, English version. Scroll down, click on ISO image. Alright, just click on the download. Oh, so sorry guys, it's Word. You have to go with the all version. So just click on this one. Second one. Let me just remind you that we have to go with Microsoft Office 2007. That's it. Go with the second link, click on it, scroll down, click on ISO image, and it will download. You can just cancel the Word one. So let the download work in the background. Now what you need to do is you have to open Control Alt T, open terminal. Now when you have opened terminal, we have to do some specific tasks. These tasks are associated with updation of your system as well. So just write sudo apt update. Type your password and wait for a few seconds. Then we will upgrade. Just write sudo apt upgrade space dash y. The initial of dash y enables it to, upgrade all the specific dependencies and libraries as well. So I think it's gonna take a bit time. So I'm just gonna pause, and when it will be completed, I'll just start with the next step. So as you can see, the upgrade command is successful. Well, it took a lot of time because my system has a variety of applications. As you might have seen my previous videos, I constantly try to provide as much as possible of the advancement. Now what you need to do, just start by you know adding some essential components that are required for the setup and configuration. First of all, we'll be adding a package. So just write sudo dpackage and space dash add dash architecture. Now I know that the system that you might be using might be having Intel, AMD, and all. Mine has AMD x86 underscore 64 architecture, but since we are using the stable version, that is 32-bit of the Microsoft Office, we require i386. It is for 32-bit i386. Sorry, i386, and press enter. This architecture is used for 32-bit application stability. Now just update your system again. Sudo apt update, and just wait for like 5 to 10 seconds. That's it. All right, so as you can see, the architecture has been added. uh, this is not required. This is just a pop-up. It's not necessarily to be taken very sincerely. Yeah, let's just avoid this last line. uh, when we have updated our system again, just try to install sudo apt install. Let's go with Wine64 first. Wine64. Then we need Wine32. Then we need Wine bind, and then we just simply write space dash y for continuity. So it says Wine. Oh, so sorry guys. It's win bind. Sorry, win bind. So as you can see, these were already in my system, so they haven't taken approximately like 2 to 5 minutes, depending upon your network speed. And if you're installing them for the very first time, it will take approximately 5 minutes, at most 5 minutes. All right. So now what we are gonna do is we are gonna just configure whether they are existing in our system or not. So how to do so? Wine space dash version, press enter. So wine has been added into our system. uh, and even though these specific versions like wine64, wine32, winbind, these are already in our system. So wine is one of the directory which consists of all of them inside it. Now we have to install Winetricks, so just write sudo apt install Winetricks space dash y, press enter. So it has also been installed in my system. And just to configure whether the version name and all, just write Winetricks space dash version. And you can see this 2025 0102 is the specific version number, and it is the latest one. So everything is up to date. Just for now, update your system again, because we do not want any unexpected error and all. So it has been completed. Now what you need to do is you need to export. What we are going to exporting is, in caps lock write wine prefix. All right, so wine prefix is the thing that we are going to be exporting. Just put an assignment operator, dollar symbol, and we have to go inside the home directory first, then slash dot, just write wine. And what we are creating is office 20, 2007. Yeah, just press enter. Now just export, and let's go with arch Wine arch will be in again caps lock, and then assignment operator, and let us set it to wine 32. And let's just like wine boot it. So when arch is set to win 32, ignore this line. It's like just one headache, because wow 64 mode is one alteration in the Linux system that does not allow to run ISO image files properly. But if you're encountering any other error, so how to resolve that? Just write dpkg space dash print, and just write dash foreign dash architectures. So we only required i386. That's it. If you're encountering any other, like not i386, and you have mentioned something else, then how you have to resolve that is just write sudo depackage space dash remove remove and just mention the particular architectures architectures just architecture and the name of it I386 like this, and it will be removed. Since I required the I386, I won't be doing it. Now we are moving on to the next step. Just confirm whether your download was done or not. Download has been added. It is inside a folder. I'll just remove everything else. It's not necessary. I mean, I just require this thing. Just this ISO, that's it. Close your browser. Now let's move on to the next step. The next step requires um, just write rm space dash rf space and tilde operator slash dot and mention your wine, particular wine dash office 2007, because we have to just recreate it again. After you have removed it, just let's create it again. So just go with your export command again. Wine prefix, this one, just no, I'm so sorry. uh let's go with another thing. That is, we have to resolve this wow 64 mode problem first. So just write uh I forgot, so sorry. Yeah, just write unset wine arch, wine arch. When you have unsetted it, just write echo, and after writing echo, just write echo space dollar wine arch, wine arch. That's it. And let us check whether it returns with anything or not. It is not returning anything. That means the problem has been resolved. Now let us just rerun this rm command again. Alright, that means it has been resolved. Now what we are going to do is, now we are going to export again. Export wine prefix equals to dollar home wine office 2007. Alright, just press enter, create it, and just write wine boot. So it is just working. That means it has created. Alright, now just run the export command again one more time and just write wine cfg, and your wine configuration has opened. Without changing any other thing, the application one, just go down and select Windows 7. Why select Windows 7 only? Because Windows 7 will only provide the most stable for 2007. So we have exported and created a wine. Now what we are left with is some important tasks that we have to fulfill first. So now we have to export again. After exporting, just write Winetricks. We have to go with some certain packages, but let's go with the most specific ones. So first we'll go with MSX, sorry, MSXM, and specific one, that is L6. Press enter. These specific Winetricks dependency downloads will take plenty of time, so do it accordingly. And we have more commands that we need to work with. So next, just write wine tricks again, wine tricks. After writing wine tricks, we have to go with one more dependency download. Just 1 second. Just write wine tricks gdi plus. and wait for a few seconds. So I think it has been already downloaded in my system. Let us download one more specific thing that we need. Just write Winetricks again. Just write core fonts, and then we require rich, rich, ed, rigid, specific. We need 20, and also we require 30 as well. Rigid 20 and rigid 30, and then MS XML L6 is already there and GDI plus is already there. Just press enter. This might take plenty of time, so I'm just gonna pause for a while, and then after the completion I'll just show you. So as you can see, the downloads, all the necessary files have been downloaded. Make sure that you do not terminate at any time, because this will take a plenty of time. This can consume a lot of time. Now what you need to do is you just need to write ls. Sorry, first we have to go inside our directory, so just write cd tilde operator slash downloads, and just write ls. Now if you can see this, that means our download is complete. Now what we need to do is we have to create a partition. So just write mkdir, that is make directory space dash p space tilde operator and slash, and what we are going to name it is office 2007. All right, just press enter. Now just write mount sudo mount uh, dash o, and what we are going to do is we are going to create a loop, and in the loop we are just going to enter the directory name, that is where it is slash. So how to find that particular thing is open my files. So go in your download section, press on it, properties, and just look at this download. It is in downloads, and just copy this name, copy, close it, and just write downloads slash, uh, just paste it. But meaning what we are gonna paste is what we are gonna mount is this specific thing. You can just control C. Shit, sorry. Copy this. Write the same command. Control Shift C. Control Shift V, and then just paste this name. Control Shift C. Control Shift V, and just type your password. Press enter. In rapid fire, I forgot to mention one more thing, that is its destination. That is tilde operator slash office 2007, the prefix that we have created. Press enter. So this is the line that should come mounted read only. This is only the thing that we require. Now just write ls tilde operator slash office 2007. Setup.exe should be there. Setup.exe, it's over here. This is the only thing that is required till date. All right, so what we are going to do is now we are inside downloads directory, but we have to go inside the prefix that we have created, right? So how we'll be achieving that? So just export again, find the export command, export wine prefix $home, and then just write cd tilde operator slash office dash sorry, 2007. Just write wine and setup.exe. Wine setup.exe. Press enter, and you can see your Microsoft Office Standard 2007 is open. Alright, now what you have to do, just open Chrome. Alright, just write MS Office Standard 2007 activation or product key. Right, just click on this. You can use any of the activation key. Let's go with, you can go with any of the key, but I would suggest particular, so just go with this one. The very first one, just write VM RGQ, then G3YMP, and then RWYH2, 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 4TQ 97, and then CT 2HT. That's it. Continue. Scroll down, click on I accept, continue. Close this, install now. This will take like plenty of time because you're installing all the Microsoft Office applications. So this might take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. So I'm just gonna pause, and after the completion I'll just show you. So as you can see, it has completed. Now you can just like just close it, and just let your terminal be open and just search for Office. So you will see that applications have been added. Like I'll just open PPT, PowerPoint. Just click on it and let it load. So it might not start right away because it might say like there is some problem or anything. So how to resolve that? Just write wine start. Sorry, just export first. Then just write wine space start win word. This all should be in small letter. Wine wine start win word. Then it will just ask for your username. You can confirm and just press OK. So it has started. Let me just bring it over here. Well, it will just ask for Microsoft Office activation wizard. I want to activate the software over the internet. Yes. Then it is connecting. Wait for a few seconds. Well, the word has already opened in my another screen. I'm just gonna close it. Get online Apple, all not required. Just close it. Or you can just click next. That's it. Okay. The Microsoft Office Word has been opened, but I'm just not able to, bring it on this screen. Let me just Well, the system is starting on my system, meaning on my different screen. Just let me do it one more time. Wine start Winward. Yes, it has opened. If you might see this properly, there you can use everything. They are not deactivated. If you might have seen, like if you have not installed or use any activation key, these are all blocked. But you can use it over here. Perfectly all right and all. Make sure that you save them properly. Right. Cert, pictures, working properly, charts. Yes, everything works properly. Now, how to activate others as well? No, just write Control C and just write Wine, Wine Start, Win, Excel. Let me just check the name again. Just open new terminal, alright, and without any command and all, just write Wine Start EXCL. So when you open a new terminal, just export again. After exporting, just write ls. So you should see your files like PowerPoint, Outlook. So there might be some issues related to, you know, um, this launching of Excel and all. So how to resolve that? Just write echo. Sorry, echo space dash al, alias and just name it Excel equals to and just write the wine prefix command. You can just, you know what you can do, just create new terminal, search for your wine prefix one, this same, control shift C, come back over here, control shift V, paste it. Now after wine just write, sorry, 2007, just write wine space. Now we have to go and find for our files, or you can just write wine, this one, this slash opposite direction one, just write C colon again slash slash program program file files space, just mention x86 because my system uses x86. Then just mention again double slash Microsoft, then Office slash slash Office 12 double slash, and then just mention your uh, particular one. Like let's go with the Excel one first. Excel dot exe. All right. Till here you have written. Now what we have to create is an bash command so that it can be loaded right away. So slash first colon close. Right. I think I missed one thing. Do one thing after uh, after after this. So sorry guys. After this echo and assignment operator, just add one double quote, and now just do one thing, close two double quotes and one single quote, give space, uh, two greater to equal greater than signs, space, let's go with tilde operator, slash and dot bash rc, all in small. Let's just press enter. That's it. And just copy the same command again, and instead of excel just write power, power, power pnt, power pnt. That's it. Press enter. Now that means that you have created two bash commands, right? Now just write source space tilde operator slash dot bash rc. And now if we write excel, it has loaded. There's just one small issue. I think we have loaded one more thing. We have just made one small mistake. That is, we named both of them same. Just copy the second last one, the PowerPoint one, and instead of Excel, just name it. You can name it anything. Let's just give it the name. Uh, Let us just give it the name Power PNT, Power PNT, or just Power, Power, and equals to double quotes. That's it, and then just press enter. Now let us try writing Excel. We have just made one small mistake, I guess. Control C. Just write PowerPoint, Power PNT. Sorry, Power. It has been converted into a name. Just go with the very first one, excel.exe. That's it. Press enter. Now again, just this same command. Instead of Excel, we'll just write POWER PowerPoint, and instead of Excel, just write what was the name? POWER. Press enter. Now just run the source command and just write EXCEL Excel, and it has loaded successfully. Let me just bring it here. Quit. So as you can see, the Excel has opened successfully. You can work as much as you want. It is working everything. Just close it. No. And same, let's go with Power PNT, and it has also loaded. So as you can see, it has loaded successfully. You can create as many slides as you want. Now let's see if we have other office modes as well or not. Just press on start menu and just write office. So we have, let me just search for all. Like, what you can do is just write this same command again, the export one, and just write ls. In this you can see we have Outlook, we have we have PowerPoint, Proofing, Office 64, Excel, Rosebud. Rosebud is outdated, so you don't require. I don't think Outlook is needed. Just do the same commands and you can just run it. Well, I have already tried for running 2007 version in the Linux and it was not successful. We encountered a lot of issues in it. So you can use the standard Microsoft Word 2007 because it gives the same vibe like in the Windows. If you're using 2013, 16, 19, all just carry the same thing, just the UI is quite better. But if you'll see the researchers and many experts, they still use the same thing. So I hope this video made it very quite clear that how you can install Microsoft Word, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and how you can use them. Make sure that you have to just open uh, terminal. In terminal, when you just open it, just write this command: source source space tilde slash dot bash rc. Let us just first test. Let just write Excel, and it opens right away. So yeah, all right. So you have already created that. Now for one more thing was there, like for WinWord, we haven't changed it yet. So for that you have echo. So just change the name WinWord, and the name of the folder we have to check again. Let's create export ls. It is named it. Let us just check the name. Office. Yes, it is just office. So just write capital office. That's it. So we have named it WinWord. So just write WinWord. It is loading the previous one. Uh, just write WinWord. Just run this command and just then write WinWord. Or just one. I might have named it wrong. Just let me check. So I've just named it wrong. Just go with the old command. That's it. This one. And instead of office, it was WinWord. WinWord, and just change it from WinWord to just Word. That's it. Our task is complete. Press enter. Just write Word. Again, just change the name. Let us just keep it Word 2007. Now just run the source command again and just write Word 2007. Yay. Yippee. It's all done. So this is how you can now use it. If you just open a new browser and just write the same name, it won't be required. If you try to use this, click on start menu and just write Word, click on Word and just click on it, you will encounter an issue like Word not responding or this error. Microsoft Office could not verify because it won't work because you have created in the prefix mode, which will be only initialized by uh, bash command. So just write Word 2007. So this will only operate on the basis of terminal. Alright, just remember that. You might have the desktop Linux apps for these, but they won't work. Remember my point. You have to always use a terminal and just use this particular method. So thank you for watching. I know this video is quite long, like unlike my other videos, because they are usually short and all. But this required a lot of steps and all. But you don't have to worry. All these will be already mentioned in my YouTube description. You can just go and check out all the commands, just copy paste and right away make it working. But if you face any issues, I would really recommend you to watch my video for step by step guide. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Please do click on the subscribe button because this boy really needs your support, and to provide every day with really different contents, and with productivities and utilities and tool. I would really love to have you in my YouTube family as well. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for other amazing videos.